Hey everyone, this is Dan from the Digital Marketing Toolkit, and today we're going to go over how to create a QR code for free. Most businesses are using QR codes in the wrong way. If you're not customizing them or testing them, or even using them in the right places, you're definitely missing out. I'll show you how to create a custom QR code in just a few minutes. No paid tools, no unnecessary steps, just the fastest way to do it right. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and go to qrcode-monkey.com. This is the best free QR code generator. It's simple, it's fast, and it allows you to customize your code without having to pay for extra features. At the top of the page, you'll see a text box that says Enter Content. This is where you'll input the URL where you want people to visit when they scan your code. Since I'm creating a QR code to promote my company's logo design landing page, I'll paste my URL right into this box. If you're making a QR code for a product, a menu, an event, or a contact form, you can enter that link right here. Now let's customize it. Click on Set Colors. The default black and white design is okay, but if you want something that matches your branding, change the colors using hex codes. Just make sure there's enough contrast so that it stays easy to scan. I'm using my brand's primary colors to make it stand out. Now click on Add Logo Image. Adding your business logo makes your QR code look more professional and increases trust with your customers. Click on Upload Image, select your logo, and adjust the size. Now this is totally optional, but you can click on Customize Design and choose how you want it to look. I'm leaving mine on the default settings, but feel free to play around with it and see what you like. Okay, so now it's time to generate and save your QR code. Click on Create QR Code and the preview will update. If everything looks good on your end, click on Download PNG to save it. If you need a higher resolution file for printing on, let's say, a flyer or a poster, choose SVG or PDF. So before using your QR code, make sure to test it. Open your phone's camera, scan the code, and make sure that it goes to the right page. If it doesn't work, try adjusting the color contrast or simplifying the design. So now that your QR code is ready, where should you use it? In my case, I'll be using mine on both physical and digital flyers to send customers to my landing page. It's a super easy way to boost traffic and get more conversions. Now let's test something. I just created this QR code and I want you to try it out. If you're watching this on a computer, tablet, or a TV, please do me a favor, grab your phone and scan the code you see on the screen using your phone's camera. Tell me in the comments if it worked for you, and also let me know what you plan on promoting with your code. By the way, if you're a business owner and you're short on time, we can handle all of your marketing needs while you focus on what you do best. Visit bfps.co to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching the Digital Marketing Toolkit. I'll see you guys in the next video.